guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a chit chat get ready with me. I just got back from going shopping at Hobby Lobby and at home for some fall decor. If you're interested in that video, I have it on my lifestyle channel, Lizzie Loves Life, but I will also try and link it in the cards for you as well. Really excited for fall time. If you're interested in more like fall cleaning, decor kind of videos, food, all that kind of stuff, check out that channel. But tonight, me and my hubby have a date night, so I wanted to get my makeup on, get all nice and pretty. I'm in that Amazon black and white striped dress. If you haven't seen that try on, I will link it above as well. But that's my most recent try on, and I really like it. It's just really comfortable, kind of casual. You can throw on a jean jacket, a leather jacket, what have you, and go. But right now I'm using the Milani eyeshadow primer, and I'm actually going to go ahead and play with a new eyeshadow palette. So if you saw my Ulta haul, I'll link in the cards, but I purchased the Maddie Ziegler Imagination Palette, and I figured for date night and stuff, this would be a kind of a fun palette to play with and experiment with and have color, especially since I'm just in black and white. So I'm going in with Butterfly Fantasy, this kind of cream shade, all over. I am looking at my mirror over here, in case y'all were wondering. But how are y'all doing? I definitely think I have gotten into the groove here on this channel, Lizzie Loves. You will see kind of, I've been uploading Monday, Wednesday, Friday, kind of a variety of beauty fashion content. I have some project pans going. I haven't done a chit chat get ready with me on this channel yet, so we'll see kind of how that works. And I'm excited to continue and create and share with you guys on this channel. So I'm gonna go ahead with a crease color. I'm thinking of going in with, do I want like a blue look? I'm thinking blue for my eyeshadow look today. So I'm gonna just go in with Maddie Girl. It's kind of this like pink taupe kind of shade. Just kind of a little too light. Go in with M3. Kind of buff into the crease. There is the garbage truck setting my doggy off. But how are y'all doing? School here has almost started, so crazy. What are y'all doing like during this time? It's just kind of a weird time. I'm trying to just balance it all, do the best I can kind of thing, but yeah. Okay, let's go in with that fun blue color. We're gonna do it all over the eye. Should I do mint? I feel like I always do blue. Let's do mint. Let's go in with the mint and do it all over. I'm definitely gonna top this, but I like changing it up, doing something a little bit different than what I typically do. I wonder what Isaac will think about mint green kind of eye. Definitely good for spring, summertime. We're going into the falls, and this is a really pretty palette for the falls. There's a lot of browns, rust colors, things like that. So I guess I should use this while I can. And I'm not gonna bring it all the way into the inside of my eyelid. I'm just gonna kind of keep it middle to halfway out. I have noticed just in using, especially this mint, there's just so much fallout with this. I haven't noticed too much underneath the eye, but it's because I think I'm like dusting it off on the side of the palette before I actually put it on my eye. But I kind of like this color on my eyes. I don't typically like reach for this. I'm so used to, if you guys have been following me on my channel, y'all know I'm doing the Panda palette on the Scandalous palette from Marc Jacobs, and I think that might be why like I'm thinking this is different with my eyes. Should I do gold or a pink? I'm thinking gold might be a little too fall right now. So let's go in with God Mom, this kind of pink sparkly shade. Put that on. It's not really showing up as well as I wanted it to. A lot of product to build it up, maybe. It's not as bright and pigmented as I thought it was going to be. Building it up. That's not too bad. I guess I just wanted it to be a little brighter, but will do my trick with the highlighter I'm using. See, I like the way this eye is looking better than that eye right now. Maybe I'll buff in a little bit more green on this eye. Yeah, that looks a little better. I can't believe I haven't really like played with this palette since that haul. I guess I was gonna do like a standalone review on it, but I haven't seen like too many people interested in this palette. It could just be because it's Morphe and all the drama that's kind of been behind Morphe lately. This needs to be a little more minty for me. It's like I toned it down too much. Like this eye just looks so much better in my opinion. That looks better. This Angel. Maybe I'll take Angel, shade Angel right here. Just take that on the pencil brush, just right in the middle. Just kind of help brighten up the eye. In the inner corner. That looks better. Get any of that fallout. There's definitely, I don't know if you guys could see that. Definitely fallout with this palette. I see glitter and stuff everywhere. But that's why I make sure to do my eyeshadow first before I go in with any kind of foundation. So this is the Tarte Tinted Hydrator, Maracuja Tinted Hydrator. I did a full review and demo of it. I'll link in the cards if you're interested. I really like it. Just kind of wish it has SPF. But it's a really like easy thing to just kind of quickly put on and go out the door. Are y'all still using beauty blenders or brushes for your foundations? Let me know. I feel like there was like a big boom with beauty blenders back in the day, but I haven't noticed too many people like continuing to pay 20 bucks for a sponge. I know Amazon does sell some. I tried to order it and then Amazon had like a shipping error and sent me something that I didn't order versus that. But I'm interested if y'all are still kind of using that, or are you just using your fingers and being like a simple life like I kind of am right now. So concealer is my Tarte Shape Tape. The color I use is light neutral. Dab it on the back of your hand and use your ring finger. Put it to your eyes that way. But yeah, I was buying so many and using them all the time. I think it's just like the frequency you need to keep them clean. I couldn't handle that, especially after I had my son. But really, it's just easier for me to just use my fingers. I wash my hands before I do my makeup, so they're clean, and it's just easier for me to do it that way. We're gonna go around the nose. Trying to get red there. I mean, I'm gonna be wearing a face mask. It's still required here in North Carolina, but I mean, when you're at a restaurant, you'll see your lipstick and stuff, so I'll probably put on a lipstick now and then have a lip stain later because it's only 1:42 snap time. I tend to get everything figured out and done before then. If you watch my channel, you know I love to use my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in dim light to set my foundation or my face for any special nights out or things like that. So since tonight is night out, I like the way this looks. It just sets the face, but gives a nice glow, like sheen. Just brightens up the face. It looks so pretty. Sets my makeup and everything. Just absolutely love it. Then I haven't been using bronzer, but blush, I am still using my Essence Mosaic blush. And all you need is pink. I'm just gonna swirl my brush around, apply it to the cheeks. This is in one of my project pans that I'm doing. I will link my most recent update or intro in the cards if you want to follow along. But yeah, major pan on this one. The goal is to try and use it up, so spoiler. Just so pretty, really affordable blush as well, and it does last on the face. Liner, we're going in with the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Liner. curl my lashes. Now I already have a little bit of the CoverGirl Clump Crusher on my lashes because I did go out shopping, and that's my car mascara, but I'm gonna top it with my Essence Bye Bye Panda Eyes mascara just to kind of build it up a little bit more. But are y'all excited to decorate for fall? When is the best time, especially in 2020, to decorate for fall? I think like in the next week or two I will be decorating for fall. We have another beach trip scheduled in September, but I kind of want to decorate before then, but I feel like my husband wants me to decorate after. So let me know when y'all are planning on decorating for fall, because I got the itch, especially seeing all of this stuff. I'm excited. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Just an easy, pretty, light pink, neutral shade. Love it. And then I'm gonna go in with the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. This is in Brownie Brows. Just kind of sweep it through my brows. You can definitely see a difference between this brow and that brow. This one just kind of looks more put together, a little bit more tinted. And then this side is good to go now. So that is everything. Let me know what you guys think about this look. I think it's pretty, definitely a different kind of pop of color than like I typically go for, but I think it's kind of a fun way to kind of have a neutral eye but with a pop color, and then I'm in like a neutral dress, so it kind of works. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with videos from me, and if you're interested in that lifestyle, more fall content, check out Lizzie Loves Life, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like